number of times that the letter F appears in the following sentence. Finished files are the result of years of scientific study combined with the experience of years.
So can you count the number of times the letter F appears in this sentence? Oh my god.
Okay. Oh, you guys do it.
How many F's do you think for Lark?
3.
3? You think 3? Why are there 3?
Because I can see there's 3.
3?
No, 2.
4?
Oh no, actually hang on, more.
It's 4.
Yeah, 4.
Oh, 5. Yeah, 5.
Yeah,
5
hang on.
You say 5?
Five,
You
yeah,
say 5?
yeah.
I only saw 2. I say 4.
5.
You say 5? Why do you say 5?
Because I counted them.
You counted them, right. What about you, Jacob?
I think 3. Because I've got a hierarchy.
I'm more cautious.
3.
You say 3?
Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
How many do you think you said? It's 3?
No, 4.
Getting 4.
Oh, 4.
Oh, there's 4.
No, wait. 1, 2, 3,
There's more?
4, 5, 6.
There's 6.
Yeah, you count the old.
There we go. That's the correct answer. There's 6.
Oh, that's so we're so good.
Oh wait, there's 6! I see 6 now.
You see 6?
Yeah, there's 6.
I'm gonna look again, but this time look at the ofs.
What's the off?
Well, the answer's actually 6, by the way. It's in of, because our brains just skip over the word of. Oh.
6. I
In
missed all
total,
off.
yeah. Yeah, do you know why it was harder?
Because you just skip over them.
Exactly.
The,
You skip
the,
over
the
of.
smaller, the smaller.
And
Such
of
an
doesn't sound like
insignificant
Because we don't say pronounce the sound, so we just because that F doesn't have to make the sound of F, so we just like neglect it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Wise words.
Exactly. It sounds like of.
You can't
You gotta trust
rely on your intuition.
Which square, A or B,
A and B.
Which of those is lighter?
I think B's lighter.
You think G?
Yes.
Why do you
Any reason why it looks lighter?
I'm just getting the vibe.
He's getting the vibe, okay. Can you trust your vibe? Okay, what do you think, Kelsey?
They're the same colour.
They're the same.
I don't know.
You think A? Why do you think so with A? Is it in the light or?
I don't really dumb. Both of them are the same.
What about you, Tom? They're both the same. Okay, well the answer is yes, they're both the same. If you're doing a multiple choice test and you're answering it and you're looking at you've got like 4 B's in a row, then you're thinking the next one can't be a B. And it's similar to this question because those 4 B's in a row, if they weren't consecutive, it wouldn't be as suspicious. But because they're one after another, you're thinking, well, the next one's not going to be a B, is it?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hello, it's Bobby Bell here. I just want to wish you all great success today and tomorrow with your QCS tests. I know that my person, well you know her as Miss J, would want me to say some motivating things to help you do your best today. So here goes. Firstly, you are all capable of amazing things. Secondly, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. If you go in with the attitude of giving it a go, you will achieve.
I'm actually not prepared for this.
And thirdly, one of my person's favourite things is to say, just breathe. Now, in my own words, I would just want to say, make sure you eat well before each exam.
Eat an orange.
Refuel your brain.
Roll up your sleeves.
Get some fresh air between the exams and at the end of the day. Ruff.
Good luck Year 12s. I want to wish you all the best over the next couple of days. I know how hard you've all been working and I know how much the community is in support of your aspirations, so do everything you can for each other. I wish you a clear head, the hard work's been done, back your processes, have confidence, and all the best.
Good luck grade 12s for your QCS. Remember, there is life after exams. I can't even spell QCS anyway, so you guys will be fine.
Mrs. Burton and I would like to wish the Year 12s good luck at QCS.
Very last QCS.
The very last one. All the best. Good luck, guys.
Hi Year 12s, I just want to wish you all the very best for your QCS. I know you'll do your very, very best, and I can't wait to see you all at the end of it, cheering, happy and finished. Good luck.
Hey Year 12s, wishing you all the best for QCS. Keep a clear head, follow all the instructions and do the best that you can.
Alright, 2 really important bits of information for your big QCS day. 1, hopefully you didn't eat too much breakfast because I'd really like a bacon and egg roll tomorrow morning. And 2, get all your maths right. Have fun, you'll be fine.
Good luck Year 12s, nail it, do well, do your hardest, do your best.
Good luck
tomorrow
for the
QCS
test.
Yay! You will have so much fun.
Year 12, best of luck with your QCS test this year.
Bonne chance et bon courage.
Buena suerte. 祝你好运.
Good luck with the QCS! Good luck with QCS! Good luck with the QCS! Good luck with the QCS! Good luck grade 12! Let's go, guys.